So guys, we'll be doing a quick analysis on our GBP JPY PS. So it will be a first one. So if you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now starting with our weekly time frame, we all can see our movements on our GBP. We all see we are actually rallying up, but of recent we are kind of having this kind of weird movements. We all can see this was our eyes, rejected here. So if we're actually following this channel, following me, we would have actually see where we actually predicted for this move, by the way. So if you have not, that is why I said click on the subscribe button. So basically this is a key level we highlighted here. Price comes to this level, we saw a push up, it comes to this level again, it comes to this level, it tends to start rallying up, and we are expecting a rally up to this level here, but amazingly it actually broke above this level here. So this GBPJPY is actually a bullish move, by the way. So weekly time frame, it is actually bullish, coupled with the fact that our JPY index is actually bearish. See it, by the way. So JPY index, we are actually on a bearish move, which means once our JPY index is dropping, any pairs we are trading to will actually go bullish. See the full trend on our JPY index daily time frame, we are actually on a bearish move. So kind of price was actually reacting to this level area here. So price now broke below it, which means our JPY index is now on a bearish move. That is an indication that our our JPY index is now on a bearish move, which means our GBP to our JPY will be going bullish. Where we are expecting to actually tap the bullish move is when we go down to our daily time frame, we are expecting to actually hit this level I say, which is about 166.400. So those of you that want to take this JPY index, then go long on it, buy your JPY index and GBP JPY, sorry, it's 166.400. Then after it's very much likely to see a drop. The reason why is that once we have this huge impulse movement downward on our JPY index, we would want to have a correction to test this area our price broke out from. We all can see this was actually once our support level, but price broke below it. Once price break below our support level, what we are expecting next is to come and test that level again. So once we are having that test again, which will be bullish, then our JPY index will start, our GBP JPY will start dropping. But as at now, our JPY index is dropping, so our GBP JPY is still going bullish. We still have about, should it be that is about 100 pips, that is close to 100 pips more to grab if you have to take the buy. So today we would actually open and close bullish, by the way. So probably tomorrow or next tomorrow we should see that bearish move, by the way. So GBP JPY, we are expecting to go long. Now let's see it on our 4-hour time frame. Is it a good time to actually take a buy? Absolutely yes. So if you are watching, it depends on when you are watching it. So if you are watching it late, I'll say subscribe so you get an early update. But if you are watching it early, then fine, jump it. See this this was a huge impulse move was made here. We had a correction here, we've had another impulse move, and we're having a little bit of a correction. So after this correction, we should be having the correction at this level, by the way. So those of you that want to go long, then it is actually a good opportunity to actually go long on this correction level. See about 166 we are all expecting on our GBP JPY. So we are still expecting to go long. Secondly, price is above our 10-period moving average. So any time frame we are trading from, price is above 10-period moving average, we should go long. And let's see what our 1 hour says. So 1 hour says we are still long, by the way. So 4 hours daily time frame says we should go long. 4-hour time frame says we should go long, that we should even jump on it, and now 1 hour time frame is saying we should also go long. But this 1 hour time frame, we are kind of like a pullback level. Probably in the New York section, this is the London section. So in the New York section would be in 2 or 3 hours time. So about 2-3 hours time, then we should actually get into this pullback, test this level, and a rally movement would be made on our GBP JPY. So GBP JPY, we should continue to go bullish. It depends, we have actually opened bullish, by the way, but it is still not late, guys. I want you to notice it is still not late. We've actually opened bullish, so it is still not late. We still have more movement upward to actually make. Probably if we don't eat it today, then we should eat it tomorrow. So go long on GBP JPY. Thanks.